आदवोगाद बेनेडिक्ट नाझारेथ हे ऑफिसांतल्यान आपल्या कारीन घरा वतना अचकीत एक कार तांच्या मुखार येवन रावली। उपरांत कारींतल्या व्यक्तींनी आदवोगादाच्या कारीर बाटल्यो मारल्यो आणि आदवोगादाच्या कारीची हेर यत्नांनी दुर्दशा केली अशें आदवोगाद बेनेडिक्ट नाझारेथ हांणी सांगलां। आपल्या कारीचे बरेच लुकसाण जाला अशें आदवोगाद सांगता। त्या हल्लो करपी मनशान आपणाक काय राजकारणाचो तेंको आशिल्ल्याचें आपल्याक सांगलें अशें आदवोगाद नाझारेथ हांणी सांगलां। ह्या विशीं आपणेन पुलिसांक कागाळ केली, मात पुलिसांनी योग्य तरेन कारवाय करूंक ना अशी कागाळ आदवोगाद नाझारेथ हांणी केला।
One car came on the opposite side in a full speed. No, it's just stopped in front of my car. They were sitting in the car only. They put the glasses down of their Innova and they started throwing beer bottles on my car. They came out and then they started smashing my car, left, right, center, doing everything. My car was completely damaged. And then they said, आम्ही रोहनाचे मनीस, हांव रोहनाचो मनीस, हांव सम दीपक आरोंडेकर or something like that. When I say that somebody has to go back, you have to go back. Fellow says, I don't care if you tell the police because I am the nephew of some Shekhar Prabhu Desai or something like that. Went to the police station to file a complaint. Very interesting thing happened. Station head officer there, he's telling me, मातसो boss, एक्युजाक आपयला, फोन मारला. तुवें एक्युजाक आपयला, तुका एक्युजा कडेन नंबर कसो मेळ्ळो? And that Sebastian tells me that the PSI in charge who is investigating this case has come to him and telling him, अरे बाबा दुसऱ्याची नांवां बा कांय सांगिनाका तूं, आयल्यान तें मिटोवया. And we back now the council has already passed that resolution where I have this thing and we are going to put this to the Home Ministry.
ह्या घडणुकेचो म्हापसा आदवोगाद फोरमान निषेध केला। पुलिसांनी ह्या प्रकरणात बेगोबेग कांयच पावलां उबारूंक ना म्हूण पुलिसांचोय आमी निषेध करता अशें म्हापसा आदवोगाद फोरमाचे अध्यक्ष सचिन देसाय हांणी सांगलां।
There is an attack on a person for no reason whatsoever, and an attack on a lawyer from people who feel that they can get away by doing anything and everything. The Advocates Association members have met and we have resolved. Number one, of course, to condemn in the most strongest words the assault on our member. This is a criminal act that could have even taken his life, and therefore we condemn it in the most strongest words.
RDX खातीर पर्वरीच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।